How to recover deleted data from Amazon shopping. If you'd like to recover deleted data from Amazon shopping, it is very simple to do so. What we're going to do is just simply open our browser and go to amazon.com. Then to recover our deleted data based on what kind of data we want to recover, go to your account name from the top right and go to the option called account and just click on it. Then from the account option, you'll find various options. You just have to scroll down and under manage your data, select the option called request your data and click on it. From request your data, you'll find different services for different data. So you can see for orders, you can click on submit requests, for addresses, for payments, for subscriptions, for your search history, and all the data related to your Amazon account. You can also request all your data and click on the submit request button, and you'll be able to download this data individually, which Amazon will send to you. So this way you can recover deleted data from Amazon. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.